Hello, first grade. I just wanted to send you a video so that you would know what I want you to do for technology class while you're learning from home. I really miss seeing you guys every day, but I know how hard workers you are and that you're going to learn on your own. Remember this page? That's called our Weebly, right? Well, on our Weebly, we have a picture right here of Miss Lanuski, and that's her web page. If you click on her face, you're going to go to her page. But this side is my page. Right here, this says watch this first. That's the video you're watching. And here is this week's lesson. It says choose one game, play the game, then go to the form and answer the questions. Well, here is a game and here is a game. So the first one, I'm going to pick this one, Sid the Science Kid. When I click on it, I can choose any game I want. I'm going to turn the volume off there. Now, I'm going to choose one of these games to play. They all look like so much fun. But after I'm done playing, and I can play it for maybe 20 minutes, a half hour. Remember, our technology class is usually 45 minutes. So if you play for 40 minutes, then you click on the X to close it, we'll be back at our Weebly. And then we have to click on this form right here. It says April 13th, because that's the first day of the week. When I click on it, it gives me my questions. Now, your mom and dad can help you with this, but I bet you most of you could do it by yourself. The first one says your name. So you're going to type your name, just like I'm typing my name. Then I'm going to scroll down. It says parents' email address. So you're going to put your parents' email address, and I'm going to put my email address. What game did you play? I would write down, I'm going to play the sort game when I have more time. I want to sort the shapes. And what did you like best about the game? Well, I think the colors are really pretty. And I like sorting. Then the next question, what type of device did you use to do your schoolwork today? Are you using a Chromebook? Are you using a phone? Are you using an iPad or some other kind of tablet or a laptop? I'm using a laptop, so I'm going to click on there. So that was pretty easy. All I have to do is click this green submit, and then I'm done. Now that I'm done with my lesson, you've done all the work. You can click back on the Weebly and scroll down and find all my games are down at the bottom. You can choose anything on the Weebly to do with the rest of your time. I want you to play one of these two games on the first day and then choose the other game on the second day, okay? So this is PBS Kids, and you know it has a lot of choices. And then there's a form to do on the second day. Normally, we would have class on Monday and Wednesday. But if you do this on Tuesday, that's okay. You could do it on Tuesday and Wednesday, or you could do it on Wednesday and Thursday. But I would like you to spend 45 minutes, 2 days a week, doing work. And I always am going to want you to fill out one of these forms so that I know that you did it, okay? If you have any questions at all, you can email me. And my email address is tprivet@sjdaschool.org. And you can email me and ask me questions. If I don't get back to you right away, you could call the school, but I check my email every day. And I miss you guys a lot. I hope you're having a wonderful time being home with your families. Stay safe, and remember, I love you.